I'm so happy that I read online. Sorry, I need the brush set. Which hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are taking good care of yourself. So first of all, I'm extremely sorry for not being updated on YouTube and being MIA for so many days. It is the first time in 1 year since I started the channel that I've not posted a video in 24 days. The first time I literally checked the studio before starting recording this video, and 24 days is the first time it has happened, and I'm extremely sorry for that. I know I have been keeping you updated with my thing that why I'm not able to record a YouTube video. My tripod was broken, then another tripod came. Wait. All this story and all the chit chat, it's been very long and I can't wait to tell you all what happened and why happened. It's all a mess, but quickly we'll jump into tutorial, and this is the day to night glamour video, which by the way you're gonna love it because this is a super fresh idea and a super fresh makeup for all of you. So let's quickly jump into tutorial.
2, 3, fuck it.
Just let me tell you that I have missed all of you like nothing. Only I know how much I missed recording the YouTube tutorials, how much I missed filming the YouTube. I'm starting with my Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. So the thing was, what happened was, I was supposed to do the YouTube shoot as I always do. It was all planned out, but there's always a but, no? My tripod broke into 2 pieces. Literally, I'm not kidding you guys, my tripod broke into 2 pieces. And this was the tripod that I got from Dubai. It was not the tripod that I purchased from India, and the quality that I was expecting was not in India. Like I read all the online reviews, I tried the shops where I could find the tripod, but that was not just the quality. My tripod stand was so stable and so heavy that, you know, I could even place a DSLR on it and it would not even move. So I was needing that tripod. I wanted that tripod. With me is I carry my tripods everywhere. I have to shoot the vlogs and everything, so I wanted a sturdy tripod. But anyways, so I ordered a tripod from Flipkart and I read the reviews, and the reviews were nice, and I thought that, you know, it's a nice tripod, and I saw the images also, it was nice. But when it came, it was in 2 pieces. It came in 2 pieces, it was broken. The screw was in one hand, the leg was in one hand. Like literally the tripod was like this. I returned it immediately, and then I ordered it again from Amazon. I ordered it from Amazon, but it was coming very late. So I checked Flipkart and it was coming soon. So that was the mistake to order it from Flipkart. Please don't order it. So मैं क्या बोल रही थी? हाँ, Flipkart. So I ordered it from Amazon again, and then उतना ही time लगा आने में. But the tripod came, and finally the tripod is extremely nice. Finally I have the tripod, and finally I'm able to shoot. The tripods were here, but the February month was a little bit personal to me, and I was busy with some things, so that is why I could not record any YouTube. I was continuously recording the IG content and being active on IG, but YouTube I wasn't able to record, because the thing is, I know that I have to sit in one place and do all the setup and take out all the makeup and check with all of you and talk with all of you, and that requires a lot of energy, you guys. And I cannot just sit and record a video tutorial if I'm not happy. It shows on screen, it shows that I'm not happy, it shows I'm not energetic, and I don't like doing that. So I'm pumped up today, and I finished shooting IG content. I was shooting Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday was the only day I took break, and Monday. And yesterday I was not shooting, but I was continuously online on IG. But today finally I shot the video, and here it is. So but coming now to the makeup again, ये थोड़ा सा चिट चाट था अभी. We'll continue it further. So I purchased a new foundation, you guys. Can you believe it? Like I switched from Maybelline to another brand. The Maybelline one is not over. I of course have that. If it's over also, I'll restock it immediately. But I ordered the Wet n Wild one. The thing is, my Maybelline one is a dewy foundation, and I wanted a matte finish foundation now. And I searched many other brands, but the thing is, my skin is extremely sensitive, so I cannot use many foundations. But I read about this Wet n Wild foundation a lot, and I checked all the reviews, and it said that's nice for sensitive skin. So I gave it a shot, and trust me, I am very happy with my purchase. I am totally satisfied with my purchase. It suits my skin extremely well. It's one of the best matte liquid foundations that you can have, and I will highly recommend you all to buy this one. And this also comes in this size, which is extremely travel free. And the thing is, it comes with a stick like this, so you can apply a foundation directly on your face, so you don't have to take it on your hand. You can directly, swirl it inside, and then you can warm it up. So I would definitely tell you this to buy it. And my review for this is, I'll restock this. How much I love this foundation. This is in the shade Golden Beige, and I ordered it from Amazon itself. I did not go to anywhere to buy it. I ordered it from Amazon only. So yes, the only thing I was average about this foundation is that this foundation has a little bit, actually not a little bit, a good amount of perfume. Damp beauty blender, and the beauty, I purchased it from Nykaa. It's the MAC beauty blender. I ordered new beauty blenders because my old ones were like really old and I wanted to change them. So I ordered this one. हाँ, तो मैं क्या बोल रही थी? See, I forget what I'm speaking. हाँ, I was saying a little bit of perfume, but it's okay. Like it's none of the matte finishes, so I would recommend you to either use your vitamin oil or your face oil with it and blend it really properly. The foundation, because otherwise it's matte and it shows that you have not blended it in properly. And yes, so I purchased another foundation, I purchased another concealer, except for Maybelline this time, and LA Girl. I wanted to try the new brand, and I read all the reviews and stuff. Night makeup. The concept basically of day and night makeup is you wear a makeup like in morning 9 or 10 a.m. and it goes till night, till 10 p.m. when you come home, or 11 p.m. when you're tired after partying. So the thing is, it happens with me at times that I have lunch plans and then I have dinner plans, and then beach ke time pe bhi at the high tea also I am out somewhere. So what I do is I do this makeup, and of course I have my handbag or my sling with it. So I carry some two products, mainly two products, which helps me change my day makeup into night glam, so it doesn't look like I'm wearing the makeup subah se lekar sham tak. So the first pro tip for this makeup is use a proper foundation, use a dewy or a matte foundation so that it doesn't move. Set your face properly so that your makeup doesn't move. And the third pro tip of it is that during the daytime, wear a very natural or a nude makeup, which will go like from the high tea part as well. And during the night time, you can carry a blush, as I do. I carry a deeper color blush. I just add in the blush and I change my lipstick color, or I mix the different shade with lipstick. So that is the night makeup. So this is the pro tip of these makeup, that you can change with it, and which is what I love about this, because I can change the makeup in 2 seconds, like just quickly adding some products and it's all done. I do not have to like remove my entire makeup and do my entire makeup again. So that's the best part. So because we are gonna wear this makeup during the daytime as nighttime as well, so I'm using the eye brightener. I'm using my Inside Cosmetics concealer. This is a 2x Cover Master concealer, and I totally agree, it's a full coverage, beautiful concealer. And my shade is, of course I don't know, it's Golden Stable. My shade is Golden Stable. Sorry, Golden Sand 03 Golden Sand. I always get confused. It's Golden Sand. It's one of the really nice drugstore concealer. You can see it's exactly my foundation shade. I ordered this from Amazon too. It's on Nykaa as well, and I think on Myntra as well. I checked. I'm using the eye brightener in the arrow format, as I always say. To brighten up my face. These MAC beauty blenders are nice, but if they're not damp, or if you're not the last part of my YouTube video as well, I haven't done that, but I'm gonna do it soon. And just for letting you all know that in March a lot of YouTube content is coming for all of you. Many videos I've planned it, I've recorded it, and on 20th March 5:33 p.m. that was the first day when I started the channel. It was the first day when I started the family of my YouTube subscribers, and I'm extremely grateful and blessed that I have 270 of you all in my life, and you all trust me with my work, and I'm actually blessed and proud with that. So I'm gonna release a very special video for all of you on that day, because I never thought that what I have dreamt for so long, the thing that was in my mind since I think I was 12 years old, to coming it, see on a big picture, to see it alive and to see it recording every day, that hits different, that hits special. And I am blessed that I am able to experience that feeling. I'm not getting emotional in this video, okay? That is for that 20th March month. And I cannot find my brush set, which is on because we have to carry this makeup subah se lekar raat tak, so I will not tell you to do heavy baking early in the morning, like 10 baje subah itna baking. So I will just tell you to set your face really properly. So I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's in the shade 25. It's the same shade of my concealer, and flowing all the way as expected. But anyway, so just set your face really properly. After setting your face, what I will recommend you to do is, you do not do heavy contouring early in the morning, क्योंकि सुबह से लेकर रात तक. But I would recommend you to do a bronzing heavy thing, which is my favorite. And you all know that without contouring, I do not do my makeup. My makeup is incomplete if I only do blush. So I have my new Palladio Baked Bronzer. It is a vegan and a cruelty-free product, which you all know I'm slowly shifting towards it. It's a dupe for the Physicians Formula bronzer. It is actually the dupe for the Physicians Formula bronzer, and it just melts in your skin, and actually it's a butter bronzer. Just slide and glide through it, I would say. Sorry. Can you just see the effect? Or is it just me drooling over this product all of a sudden? Great time, and we need some blush, but we have done like a nice bronzer. So I'm taking my Milani blush, just on a lighter tone a little bit. So this will look like bright and peachy side early in the morning. Upward direction, all in the upward direction. देखो मैं haircut से याद आया मुझे that I have started removing the facial hair, which is the peach fuzz. I ordered the face razors from Amazon, and it's I think from Face Shop face razors I ordered, and I've started removing the peach fuzz from it. So now my entire face is clean, and I've started removing it. I'll do it in one of the next tutorials. I've done it recently so that because there's no peach fuzz right now to show you how I remove it, but in the coming videos I'll tell you how you can remove it and how I remove it. I wanted to do it since a long time, and I thought of doing wax online, and I know that when waxing, like, you have to hold your skin and वो skin lose होने का chances है, so I skipped on that, you guys. I was not in the mood of doing it. So yes, and another thing, मैं क्या बोल रही थी? Eyes का. So I started removing the peach fuzz on my face, and it has worked quite well for me. And also the myth that if you remove your peach fuzz, or if you peach fuzz, if you shave your face, your hair is gonna come more black and more thick. It's absolutely false, you guys. Nothing happens like this. I have shaved my face twice and nothing has happened. My hair is coming normally as it was, and nothing hard or black. It's all a myth. So I will highly recommend you, if you do not want to get your face waxed, and because face skin, जो face का skin होता है, it's extremely sensitive and soft. So I know that it would hurt a lot when you're doing waxing over here. So I would recommend you to do your removing of hair by your face razors. But anyways, for the eye, I don't want to leave my eyes plain. I know it's daytime, but still a little bit of eye work is needed. So I'm gonna take is I'm gonna take my blush and use it on my eyes. I do it very often when I have to do a day makeup. This is one of my hacks that I do. See how natural and beautiful the eyes are looking. Like, this was what I was talking about. And you can also add liner if you wish, but I have tried putting liner once, but I'm not a liner person. That is why I do not use it much. But use heavy mascara in morning also. Lashes and mascara are for day, night, high tea, for everywhere. Okay, so use some nice mascara. I'm using my NYC mascara, you guys. Add extra volume to your lashes. Oops, we have one from you all. Please drop in some nice Netflix recommendations. Please, you guys, please, drop in some new Netflix recommendations for me, because I have been watching lately Friends again. I mean, that is regular. I have watched The Office, but the thing I'm watching again and again, or I'm just keeping on watching it, is Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Like, I am super obsessed with them. You all know it. You all know my obsession with Kim, Kanye, Courtney, Scott, Chloe and Tristan. Chloe and Tristan are gonna have a baby. I mean, in this trailer it was that way of Keeping Up with the seasons. Like, I can't believe this is the last season they are filming it. And if you're wondering why I'm doing mascara kab se, because I take a lot of time in applying mascara, because I love to give the volume to my lashes. I cannot, go without it. Not one of those flashy highlighters that you need for during the daytime of our high tea. So this is the perfect highlighter. It's mirror, it's on my hands and my lights showing. So yes, I'm using this one. During the daytime, of course, go with nudes. White and nudes. You can never go wrong with it. What I would recommend you is, you can just make a sleek low pony with a flick or fringe. I think that will look extremely nice, but I'm not gonna get up and get a hair tie now, and it's not on my corner right now. So the day makeup is complete. The best thing that you can do for night time is to change your lip color if you want. That's totally on your choice. To add a deeper color of blush and to change to your highlighter. So what I do is, when I know that I'm not gonna come home and have a full day packed, I carry a deeper color of blush with me, and I carry a lipstick for sure, that's always in my bag, and another color of highlighter. So these three I know when I have to go on a full day and I'm not gonna come home, I do carry these three things. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna deepen the blush a little bit. It elevated my face a lot, and I would change my highlighter. There's no better highlighter than this one. Blush that's already in pink color. Take some highlighter and just in the center of your lid, do it, and look how it just changes your eye makeup. I've just done it in the inner corner, and the outer corner is still pink. I have not even touched my outer corner. Just look at it. These are the tricks and hacks you want, or you have to do if you are a beauty blogger or if you are a makeup artist. The lipstick. In night, you can never go wrong with a white dress and a bold red lip. I'm using my Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade 20 Pioneer. best red shade ever. Hairstyle and night, but I prefer the open hair on me in night as well. So isn't it looking like I've changed the whole makeup and done the fresh makeup again? That is the trick I was talking to you about. And it's not, you saw it, I just applied the highlighter, changed my lipstick and done some work on my eyes, and it's perfect, good to go, no changes except required for these. And yeah, makeup will look as fabulous for a date night, for clubbing, for dinners and much more.